can see this weekly candle close well, and this other one is starting very well above the point of control, which is bullish. But we still have this moving average here, which is the 13-day moving average, and we need to see this flip and take us right up to about 6 point something dollars, right? Or right up to $7. So this move here, like this week, can take us right up to about $7. This is possible, so if you are looking for something to buy, this is a good coin to buy, which is at a good zone, APT, that's Aptos. If you want to buy anything, then you can buy Aptos as compared to other coins. Let's say, for example, if you want to compare Aptos to Render, you're gonna see, okay, even though Render is sitting at this zone, but it's not actually back to the low as compared to APT. So another coin we should be looking at also is this coin, um, CSPiO Kaspa. I talked about it last time. This coin has been holding here. I think the next target is going to take us again back there. We're going to see a spike up there. So if you're buying this coin, you can already put your takeout profit or your TP around 0.02472 zone. Or maybe you can put it right up there. If it spike, you're going to actually cash out some profit before it dump again. And this is happening because of liquidity. So you have to keep an eye on that. Or Vetra is always in a good trend. Wow, I miss out on Vetra. So I'm not gonna buy Vetra now because I already missed out. Yeah, this vector candles signifies bearish momentum. If you see price putting this like on the weekly time frame, something like this, it means that they're gonna come back and recover it. So until then, I'm gonna just stay away from Vetra protocol. Maybe on lower time frames like the 15-minute time frame, I can trade it. Yeah, I mean, look, it's up to the 9%. If I was trading this coin, I would have been up to the 9%. So yeah, I think trading it is good, but holding it long term, I don't think I should be holding it long term. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be looking for a short, yeah, for Virtua, because guys, this movement, yeah, it's just gonna reject from where we are. You can see it's already showing this rejection here based on this stopping volume candle, and this movement now down is gonna take us downward and I think the target is gonna be the 50-day moving average. So yeah, we have that one too. Let's look at some crypto news quickly. Let's see where we are right now. Crypto ETF sees 3.3 billion weekly inflow, top 10.8 billion year to date. Wow. 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 People are buying Bitcoin through the Bitcoin ETF. Guys, this is good. It's good news to see that people are buying Bitcoin through the Bitcoin ETF. We are seeing more money flow into Bitcoin. If the ETF is keep increasing in terms of the volume, the inflows, then I think it's going to impact the price of Bitcoins greatly. And if Bitcoin price is going to be impacted, then all coins are going to be impacted too. So I think this is a good adoption by institutions. Big money coming on board from retailers. BlackRock and all these guys. They came up with the ETF, and yeah, guys, it's something really awesome. And I think we are on the right track so far. And did this see Enterprise buy 21 Bitcoin, kicking off plan to scoop 5K BTC in 3 years? So, guys, the big players are on board. They are on board. You can see the institutions, they are on board. They are here to stay. And those of you are taking Bitcoin lightly, you don't want to buy Bitcoin, or you don't want to protect your money by buying Bitcoin. You make money from altcoins, you don't want to put it into Bitcoin. I think you're making a big mistake. Bitcoin is gonna be 1 million someday in the future. I mean, one Bitcoin is gonna be $1 million in the future. So you wanna be, available. Available. 'Cause if you don't have Bitcoin, you will not be available. You'll be missing. All those who have Bitcoin are gonna be available. So if you wanna be available, then make sure you get some Bitcoin. Start stacking some Bitcoin right now. Trade altcoins, outperform Bitcoin, then make more Bitcoin. I think that's the way forward. Because if not, these guys are gonna buy everything. They plan to buy like 5K Bitcoin in 3 years. Right? That's huge. What we have here next, Coinbase in and Coinbase in S&P 500, more crypto firm to come. Well, guys, this is also good news. Coinbase is the first crypto firm to be listed on the S&P 500. This is awesome. So Bitcoin, Coinbase is among the the top 500 coins, 500 companies in the US, the S&P, who are part of the S&P 500. Okay, and this is because of Bitcoin. Like Coinbase built a product based on Bitcoin, based on crypto. And those of you who maybe are still lagging, you like, okay, Bitcoin is this or that. You can build something out of Bitcoin. You can build a service. You can build something, build a business, something that you provide to people who need it, right? Like you see, BlackRock, Coinbase, Binance, all of these exchanges, or all of these, product, that are coming to the market. They are as a result of Bitcoin and crypto. So investing or trading is not the only thing you can do to make money. You can also start a business, a crypto-based business. You share information out there and you make money. You can see Cointelegraph. This is a business that shares information about cryptocurrency. This is a crypto news channel. Right, so you can see I'm reading this news from Cointelegraph. They have built a business from crypto, from Bitcoin. So you can do something right now, from Bitcoin, not only buying and selling, right?